Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Chinny's Glam World. I know you missed me. Yes, I missed you. I miss you guys so much. So on this video I'm going to be talking about how much YouTube paid me when monetized. How much YouTube paid me as a small YouTuber. How much YouTube paid me as a small YouTuber with 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch time. Yes, 500 subscribers. Since a lot of persons are not seeing like how much YouTube paid them for 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. Yes, so when you reach, let's dive into the video. When you reach 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch hours, you're going to see the option of apply. When you apply, you're going to tell you accept our terms and condition. After accepting the terms and condition, you're going to go over to create your AdSense account. After creating your AdSense account, you're going to wait for it to get verified and approved. After that, they're going to get the options. They're going to send you a message saying you're a YouTube partner. Yes, you're now a YouTube partner. So after that, how much GN being a like 5,000 at 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch, how much YouTube paid me. So guys, let's dive into the video. So I'm going to be over to my YouTube studio so you see how much YouTube paid me. Okay, I'll go over to my YouTube channel. You can see on that point there, you're seeing that $0.16. That is to say, when I reach 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, I was given the option of using my super thanks, super stickers, and membership. So I feel that I don't have enough viewers, like I don't have fans that want to subscribe or to subscribe to my membership, so I didn't get to use the option of membership. I just stick to my super thanks and super stickers. So how much it paid me for for 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch hours? That is to say, I've earned all what I've earned so far using super thanks was 16 cents, 0.16 cents. So that is how much it paid me for having 5,000 subscribers. And you know that I have not been paid, because for you to get paid on this channel, for you to get paid on YouTube, you have to reach the $100 threshold. Yes, that is to say, at 500 subscribers, I've not been called to, I've not reached the full requirement for monetization, and the full requirement for monetization is 4,000 watch hour. So that is to say, I've not been paid. That is just how much I've earned as a small YouTuber with 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. Though I have over 14,000 subscribers, so I just reached my 500 subscribers in less than a week of starting YouTube. So guys, that is literally it when you reach your 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. I hope I was able to clear you, right? So you do not think that when you reach your 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, you just start earning money. No, you must reach your 4,000 watch hours so you can earn through your page ad and your long form videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know that you enjoyed it and you have learned one or two. I will see you again on another video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment on this video. Thank you so much. I'll see you again on another video. Bye.